Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can create Google Sheet easily. So just open the Google Chrome and select create icon in the top right corner. Just scroll and just select Sheets. Here's this, just tap on blank to start a new spreadsheet and appear like this. Just put your data here. As you are using Microsoft Excel, I think, but it is automatically saved, and you can see this simple look, and you can also share the file. Just click share in the top right, and at the people you can select this anyone with the link, so you can adjust for the rules for the viewers, commenter, or editor. So that's how to create Google Sheet easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. You can see the file on your drive here. Bye bye.